So welcome to the DIY fitness test, specifically the plank. Now the plank's been used for a very long time. Probably the main reason why it's been used is because it's actually really easy to administer. Now don't be fooled, this is not a core stability type of assessment. More so a way of monitoring what I call global strength. So global strength means that it assesses or looks at the strength and endurance of a wide range of muscles, okay? So let's not get fooled by the fact that some people think this is a core stability test, which it's not. Okay, I'm gonna step you through the plank test. Remember, this test here is a plank for time, and there's a couple of things, words of caution I'll share with you at the end, but let me just step you through the plank. So obviously you've got a mat. Okay, make sure you So I like to start my clients down on their elbows, having their elbows directly underneath the shoulder. When you have your elbow directly into the shoulder, you've got a dead weight coming through the shoulder elbow joint and the elbow joint, so there's not as much stress coming through the neck. We want to lengthen through the neck, and as we do the setup, we just lift onto the knees, maintain what we call a neutral spine or a straight back, as straight as we can, and then we just lock out the legs, having a dead weight through the elbows, hands direct on the ground, lengthening through the neck, and we hold for time. So this is a timed-based test, and a couple of key points here. I would stop the test, I would stop your timer if you start to experience any pain in the neck, any pain in the lower back. Okay, they're probably the two main things. If there's any pain in the neck, any pain in the lower back, stop the test. If you notice, maybe your training partner notices this too, or whoever is training with you, that you find it really hard to maintain a straight back, stop the test, okay? Stop the test. You can no longer hold the stabilization in and around the hips and pelvis. That's only gonna lead to lower back pain. Okay, once again, make sure you monitor it however you decide to monitor your training, either in a journal, in an app, or whatever you do. And in regards to frequency of retesting, you know, it really does vary, but I would believe that even on a fortnightly basis that you'd see improvement, but at least go monthly, okay? But you could go fortnightly.